Let me be honest with you. If you're shopping for the absolute cheapest condo insurance policy in Massachusetts, you can probably find a low price somewhere else. There are online carriers that will quote you a bare bones HO6 in minutes. There are cut rate insurance brokers who will write the minimum coverage to make a sale. You can always find cheaper. So why do condo insurance clients choose us? And why do they stay with us year after year? Hi, I'm Carlos Vargas and Vargas Insurance. And today I'm going to explain what you are actually getting when you work with us and why the cheapest condo policy is often the most expensive mistake. When a condo policy is significantly cheaper, there are always reasons. Let me tell you what you might be getting. Inadequate dwelling coverage. The cheap policy might only cover a few $1,000s of dwelling improvements because that is the default. But your renovated kitchen, upgraded bathroom, and hardwood floors could cost $50,000 to $80,000 to replace. After a fire, you are thousands of dollars short. Minimal loss assessment coverage. Cheap policy has $1,000, maybe $3,000 of loss assessment coverage. Your triple decker conversion has a $25,000 master policy deductible. When the roof needs replacement after a storm, your share of that deductible is $8,000 plus dollars. Your policy pays $1,000, you pay $7,000 plus out of your pocket. Low liability limits. $100,000 of liability sounds a lot until your washing machine overflows and causes $60,000 of damage to the unit below. And they sue you for additional damages on top. No water backup coverage. Your basement unit floods from a sewer backup. Tens of thousands in damage, and that cheap policy does not cover it because you did not add that endorsement. And a teaser rate that you get because you're a new client. But it goes away the second year and they have a large premium increase. And no relationship. When you have a question about whether something is covered, there is nobody to call. When you have a claim, there is nobody explaining the process or advocating for you. Cheap insurance is not cheaper, it just moves the cost from your premium to you on your worst day. Here's what you actually get when you work with Vargas Insurance for your condo coverage. You get Massachusetts expertise. We know master policy types, converted condo challenges, loss assessment exposure, and everything else that makes Massachusetts condo ownership unique. We have been doing this for over 45 years. You get a master policy analysis. We actually look at what your association covers and help you understand your gaps. We do not just write a generic policy. We coordinate it with your specific master policy. You get appropriate coverage. We make sure your dwelling coverage reflects your actual improvements. We make sure your loss assessment coverage is adequate for your building. We make sure your liability limits protect your assets. You get proactive recommendations. We ask about water backup coverage on lower level units. We suggest umbrella policies for clients with assets to protect. We think about what could go wrong, not just what is required. You get a relationship. When you have a question, you can reach someone who knows your situation. When your building changes its master policy, we help you adjust. When you have a claim, we guide you through it. Let me tell you why our condo clients stay with us. A first-time home buyer in Dorchester who did not understand the difference between her master policy and her HO6. We walked her through exactly what the association covered and what she needed. She avoided buying duplicate coverage that she did not need while making sure that she had enough loss assessment coverage. The South End condo owner who had a major kitchen renovation. His previous broker never asked about improvements, so his dwelling coverage was $30,000 under what he needed. We caught it during his coverage review and adjusted it before anything happened. A Hyde Park client whose upstairs neighbor's pipe burst. Water damaged his ceiling, walls, and hardwood floors. Because we had set him up with proper dwelling coverage, his claim was fully covered. His life was back to normal within weeks. The converted triple-decker owner in Somerville, whose building had a major roof claim. The master policy deductible was assessed to all 3 unit owners over $8,000 each. Because we had set her up with adequate loss assessment coverage, her policy paid her share. And her neighbors with cheaper policies paid out of pocket. These are the moments that matter, not the $50 or $100 that you might save on premium. The moment when something goes wrong and you need coverage that actually works. We're not for everyone. If your only priority is lowest premium possible, if you're willing to accept coverage gaps and no relationship to save a few dollars a month, we're probably not your agency, and that's okay. But if you want to actually protect your condo investment, if you want someone who understands Massachusetts condo coverage, who coordinates with your master policy, and who is there when something goes wrong, we might be exactly what you are looking for. We want condo clients who understand that their home is worth protecting properly, who want a relationship and not just a transaction, and who know that the cheapest option and the best option are rarely the same. If that sounds like you, let us talk. Reach out to our team. All of the details are in the description of this video. We will look at your unit, analyze your master policy, and show you what proper protection looks like for Massachusetts condo owners. pressure, no obligation. If we're a good fit, great. If not, you will at least understand your coverage better than before. Thank you for watching this series. I hope that you understand Massachusetts condo insurance better than most condo owners in the state. I'm Carlos Vargas from Vargas & Vargas Insurance. And if this video series helped you in any way, consider hitting that like button and subscribing to our YouTube channel. I thank you for watching.